Are you worried about making ends meet in retirement? Discover how to earn a reliable online income and live your retirement dreams. 23% of us are unsure if we have enough in super to get by in retirement. 22% believe they'll be okay, but will need to reduce spending. And only 17% believe their super will be enough to live off. You don't want to be disappointed because you are unable to spend more quality time with your family, unable to experience different cultures in other countries, unable to have that house next to the beach or that new car. Picture this: the blissful embrace of laughter and joy, surrounded by the warm company of family and friends, while the sun-kissed waters of a luxurious resort beckon you to indulge in leisurely relaxation. Hi, I'm Glenn. For the last couple of years, I've been learning skills on how to sell goods and services online. With these skills, I've learnt the many different ways to generate an income online, even while I am offline, doing the things I love, or even sleeping. In this limited time video, I'm unable to fully explain the many ways to sell online, but if you're interested, I do have a video I can send to your inbox immediately that explains in more detail. If you like the video, click the Learn More button, enter your name and email address, and I'll send the video at no cost to you. People like you and I are creating income online because more and more people are buying online every day. If you think about it, everyone at some time in their life has purchased a product or service online. How can we tap into this digital economy, you ask me? Well, you need to put the right offer in front of the right people. We can show you how to find the right offer. You need to have a website. With today, latest technology, it is easier to have a website up and running using one of the many templates, clicking here, clicking there, and dragging and dropping. In January 2024, there were 5.3 billion internet users globally, and the number of internet users grew by 97 million in the last 12 months. With the internet growing every year, opportunities are endless. You can build your online business at your own pace from home, even while working and your current employment. There's no age limit, no need for physical stores or hefty investments, just an internet connected device. No bosses dictating your schedule. Work on your terms from anywhere in the world with an uncapped income potential. To achieve this, all you need is a little guidance to turn this vision into reality. Click the Learn More button. Simply enter your name and email, and I'll send you the video on how you can embark on this life-changing journey.